Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I'm so excited to share with you today. First of all, before I get to what I wanted to share, we are having a contest. Who loves contests, right? So it's a Tuesday Tips, and it's an Orange Pop Picks contest. It's a giveaway, and what it is, we'll choose 25 winners, and I'll go over this information again afterwards. But there'll be 25 winners, and each winner gets to win a $100 gift bundle of products of your choice. How great is that? So I'll tell you the two ways that you can do that at the end of the tips. First thing I wanted to show you is, this is so cute. This is one of the new patterns. It's in our Broomhilda. This is called a Bench Buddy. We have both a sewing version and an embroidery version. And what I wanted to show you is a tip on how to cut out these words, because they're kind of different angles, so totally comes at a different angle than the other two. So I wanted to give you a tip on how to make sure that that comes out straight and so it fits in the pillow just right. And for those of you that have the sewing version, you can hand embroider this, and you'll need the same tip for your version as well. So what I'd like to do is I'll show you when it's stitched out, or when you hand stitch it out, it'll be on a little bit larger piece like this. And so the Orange Pop rulers are so wonderful. It makes it a lot easier to trim this down and cut it and have it even. So what I'd like to do is, I'll flip this around so you can see what I'm talking about. What I'd like to do is, I like to give the same amount of space above the P, or above the T and below the P, right there, and then I go side to side. Well, I couldn't figure out, this is a different angle than this and the word spell. The tip would be, go off of the word spell. That's the one that you want to go off of as far as keeping the lines straight. So what I like to do is just make sure that this is so many, I don't know if you can see the little grids. It's 1, 2, 3 grids up to the bottom of the L, and it's 1, 2, 3 grids up to the bottom of the S. And that way, this is going straight across, and I know that when I cut this out, it'll look good on my pillow, and it'll look the way it was meant to be. How fun is that? My second tip is to use at least 3 of these rulers, nesting. I love, that's just a great feature of these Orange Pop rulers, is you can nest. And then as you cut in the channel, you can rotate. Love having a rotating mat with that. And you just rotate and keep cutting. And I love having several layers to grip on. And then it is trimmed and it's ready to go in your pillow. So that is the tip for today. I know there are more questions probably on Orange Pop rulers. If you have any more questions on how to use the Orange Pop rulers, we do have a demo video in full, and it shows all of the features as well as the other parts of the rulers that come in these sets. You can visit our website at kimberbell.designs.com and find that video. So now, contest, right? Let's go over the contest. There's 2 ways to enter this contest, and remember, 25 winners, a $100 gift bundle from Kimberbell. So the first way is if you'll share the video, the Orange Pop video, and there will be a link at the top of this video. You just go to that link and share that video, and then let us know that you shared the video. And the way you let us know that you shared the video is on the Tuesday tip video. If you will just hashtag Orange Pop Pics. That lets us know that you've shared that video. And the second way, which is this increases your chances of winning. So first of all, sharing the Orange Pop video. And the second way is, this is so much fun. The second way is take a selfie in an Orange Pop frame. How fun. So you just take a selfie in your Orange Pop frame and share it with friends. And again, let us know in this video, hashtag it with Orange Pop Pics, and we'll know that you've shared a fun picture of yourself as well in the Orange Pop rulers. So those 2 ways. And if you have any other questions, you can leave us a comment and we'll be happy to answer your comments. Make it a fun one. You can just have fun with this. Have fun with your friends. Add a couple frames if you want. And you can make a funny face if you'd like. But so much fun. We appreciate you tuning in, and we hope that you will be able to have a chance to win. And one more quick thing I wanted to show you, that we do have an embroidery and sewing version of these two cute little items here. This pillow and this cute table runner are also, it's a free pattern that is available for download on our website at kimberbelldesigns.com. So you can go there. These are under the orange pop rulers, so that's where you'll look to find this free design.
Laurie, where can they go to get more details on the contest?
Great question, Taylor. You can go to our website, kimberbelldesigns.com, and you'll see a contest for the orange pop rulers. And it should be right as you pop, as soon as you pull it up, you'll see the contest. It's so much fun. And there's a lot of fun pictures actually of our employees with the orange pop rulers, kind of demoing how you can do those selfies. Lots of fun. Is there any other questions that have come across? I appreciate you tuning in, and good luck to everyone. And just a quick note that they will be randomly chosen. So it's not how gorgeous your picture is. We're not grading on that or anything, just that you would enter. So increase your chances to win by sharing the video as well as taking your self-portrait in the orange pop rulers. Thanks so much, and we'll join you next week.